everyone, and welcome back to my beauty channel. If you're new here, my name is Josephine and I mainly do makeup videos and unboxings, but I also do tutorials and just a bunch of beauty videos. So if you're not already subscribing, I would really recommend you to do that. Like, comment, subscribe, hit the bell for notifications every time I upload a new video. And right now I unbox a lot of advent calendars, and that's actually what we are going to do today. I've just received the Essence advent calendar. I think they have multiple ones, but this is the one I've bought. So, how many jars? I think we have 24 jars. I haven't tried a lot of makeup from Essence, but I've been very close to buy their products a bunch of times. So I thought if I buy the calendar, I have to try them. It's a very affordable brand, and I think they just have makeup. I don't know if they have skincare and stuff, but yeah, I don't know. So that's the plan for this video. So if you're interested in seeing this unboxing, keep on watching. We're just going to have it in my lap. So you have this little doors. Oh, is this a 13? It says 13 here. Is this a door? 23. Okay, so we have doors here. Maybe they are masks or something. Before we start, I just want to say that I'm not sure of the price of this, so I'm going to write it somewhere on the screen so you know. But yeah, let's start with door number 1. Okay, I hate these doors. Mini matte fixing powder. Sets makeup for a perfectly matte natural finish during the Xmas season. The transparent shade fits all skin tones. 4.5 grams. We have some Christmas decoration on the packaging. Let it snow. How cute is that? Moving on to door number 2. I love the packaging. So we have mini lipsticks. Oh my god, this is so cute. How cute is that? 2 lipsticks. It actually looks like you can use these shades. Does it have any name? Spread the love. Oh, it smells amazing. And Feel the Magic. Oh, Feel the Magic, definitely my shade, and they smell good. I guess these are mini sizes, but they will last you, well, a while. A long time. Number 3. No, a little tweezer. Oh my god, that's so cute. That's adorable. My god. Mini eyebrow tweezer. Yeah. Is it good? Let's take off. Yeah. Aye. It's definitely good. And it has some penguins on it. Can you see? Okay, I love it. I love this calendar. Number 4. This is something weird, but come on. I think this is nail stickers. Self-adhesive nail stickers with lovely Xmas design for an individual and magical manicure. I usually do my nails, but I don't use stickers, but maybe I should. They actually have a text with every door. Door number 5. Oh. What is this? I think this is tags you put on presents and gifts and stuff. Yeah, 8 gift tags. I didn't know they had these kinds of stuff, or if they made it for this advent calendar, maybe. I don't know. Number 6. Ooh! Oh! Essence eyeshadow brush, and it has a Christmas design. I've actually just tested my first 2 brushes from Essence and I liked them. This is so cute. This calendar is crazy. Be my candy care crush. Okay. Number 7. We have a pen, maybe? Essence Kayal pencil. Is it a black one? Let's swatch it and see if it has good pigment. Oh yeah, it has. That's good. The pen is a bit hard, so I don't know if you want to apply this in your waterline, but that's the place usually use this for, but I don't know, I have to test it out. But it's a long lasting. Door number 8, Nourishing hand cream, and we have a swan on the packaging. Nourishing hand cream leaves a super soft, non-greasy feeling on the hand. Moisturizing formula with shea butter and coconut oil combined with a nice scent of chia and ginkgo, and it makes this hand cream a must-have for this winter. Let's try some. I have really dry hands right now. Well, I'm dry everywhere, but mostly the hands. Yeah, it has a good scent, but it's not too strong. Good size. Oh, is this a nail polish? Mini metallic nail polish, 5 milliliters. I actually think this is a good size. I don't know what they mean with mini. Nice shade. You can definitely use this because sometimes when you buy advent calendars, you receive all the products no one wants to buy, like the leftovers. But it feels like advent calendars are becoming such a popular trend, so they have to stop doing it that way. I love that. Very nice. Number 10. Oh, is this a mascara maybe? I love Extreme Volume Mascara, 12 milliliters. Mascara for extreme volume, ultra black. It feels like a full size. I heard that Essence have great mascaras. I've just received one, but I haven't tried it yet, so I'm not sure. 11. A charm bracelet. This looks very small. Extremely small. Okay, how are you supposed to... Come on. I don't know how to put this on, but obviously it fits. And you have this little star. Cute if you like bracelets. Well, I never used them. It looked like a bracelet for a child, but nice that you could change the size. Door number 12. Color changing lip balm with vitamin E. Also with a Christmas theme. That smells really good. It doesn't have a lot of color, but just a bit. Let's apply it over my lipstick. Smells good. Number 13, and we have it out here. Okay, we have face jewels. Jewels? I don't know. If you're going to dress up or something for a special event or some kind of theme, these can be very good to have. Also, of course, you can have them on a daily basis if you feel like that. I don't, but it's always good to have these weird products, but I'm fine with it. Okay, number 14. A little sharpener with 2 different sizes. It has some glitter to it, and you have this lid so you don't get, yeah, shit everywhere. That's good. Very good to have. This is products you never buy, but you always need them. So good to receive. 15. Mini high gloss top coat, 5 milliliters. Always good to have as well. You always need these. 16. Eyebrow styler. Oh, okay. So we have 2 powders, I think, yeah, and a little brush. I would use my own brush. You receive stencils as well. That's good or nice. And never tried stencils, so maybe I should. Fun. And number 17. Oh, hair ties. How are you supposed to use these? Glitter and metallic hair ties, also nice as bracelet. They're a bit small for that, maybe. They look a bit weird. They're elastic, but aren't they going to... It feels like the knot can, you know, go up and you will break them. I don't know. Never seen these before. I guess I will try them. 18. Glitter. Glitter lip topper. Looks like really big, chumpy glitters. It smells very nice, but it looks a bit weird, I must say. And you can feel the chunks on your lips, so it feels like sand or something. I don't know. Maybe people like this kind of stuff. Not a product for me. Glitter everywhere. 19. Oh. I love that I show you, but it's out of focus. I think this is, yeah, a makeup remover towel. I actually love these. I have maybe 2 of them, but from another brand, and they're very expensive. I actually checked for new ones the other day. Now I have a new one. I love the design, all Christmassy and stuff. Very soft, so you just wet it, and you can, if you want, put a cleanser on it, and then just take off your makeup. Love it. Oh, now I'm very excited. Another nail polish, but this is red. Shiny mini nail polish. Cute. Perfect for Christmas. I hope their nail polishes are good. 21. That's a big door. Oh, what is this? That's cute. Is it a notebook? Yeah, a little notebook. Okay, weird product to have in a beauty calendar, but this is a very, very affordable advent calendar, and Essence is a very budget-friendly brand, and they have cute stuff for a ridiculously low price. So I accept this product, and I'm not mad. Mini highlighter stick. Oh, let's swatch it. That's very nice and pigmented. Okay, promising. Like that. 23. More stickers. Body jewelry tattoos. Haven't really tried these stuff either. Maybe when I was a child. In my age, maybe you can use these for, yeah, Halloween or something. So still good to have somewhere in a box. Okay, last door, right? We don't have 25, no, 24. Oh, one more brush. Mini highlighter brush. That's cute. Thing stars and stuff. Let's try it with my Ofra highlighter. I've already applied some. Let's apply some more. Maybe I wouldn't use this as a highlighter brush, more like contour brush or bronzing brush, blush brush. It's a bit small, but still too big for a highlighting brush. But it's cute, always good to have brushes. It feels a bit cheaper than the eyeshadow brush. I like that one more, but yeah, nice to have. So that's all of the products. I'm actually very satisfied and happy with these. It was a bit more categories than I originally thought it would be. I expected more makeup, but I understood that it could be something else, and it was. Actually received a lot of nail polishes. I didn't know they had those at all, so that's a surprise, but a good surprise. I hope they're good. I love that we received brushes, and I'm excited about the pressed powder. Maybe we should try some. Difficult to say, but it takes away the shine, so promising. Very excited about this one. I'm going to try it today when I take my makeup off. Very, very good calendar. Probably the best of all the budget calendars. You receive good products for a very small price. I know they have more calendars. Maybe those are just as good. I don't know. And I don't know if I'm going to buy another Essence advent calendar, because I buy a lot of advent calendars, so I don't want to focus too much on one brand. But yeah, that's everything for this video. I hope you enjoyed it. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and of course hit the bell if you don't want to miss my future unboxings. See you next video. Bye!